Hey, what's up? This is KHS for After Effects tutorial channel and welcome back for the new very exciting tutorial. There is a different another tracking tutorial. How to track your mobile, and the application or screen of mobile is like a hologram on your live action footage. So create a new composition, double click, import your footage and drop this in new composition and select seven seconds and go to composition, trim come to work area and select right click, pre-compose, move all attributes mean, move your effects masking to one composition, name it footage and enter. Select your footage and select go back to workspace motion tracking because I need to 2D motion tracking. Select the track motion and zoom in, move the point of motion tracking in different point like a black dot point and then track. Okay, the tracking is finished and right click, create a new null object, edit target, null 1, press OK, apply X and Y, press OK. The tracking is finished and now time to create the screen. Create another new composition, name it screen is screen. So what the time of the composition is 7 seconds, change it to 7 seconds, press OK and then double click, select your mobile screen and port, select the first, there is the first, drop here, press S, move here and motion, press P 160, turn off, sorry, select, press S, change to 50 and stopwatch, change to 0, 1 2 3 4 4 frames, change to 50, 1 2 3 4, change to 20 45, 1 2 3 4, change again to 5. I mean the pop-up motion like this. This is the pop-up motion. And now time to create another, press S, change to 50, move here. Okay, now select the scale, copy the keyframes, paste here, play now. Select the chat room, press S, change to 50, and now paste here. Select the last one, press S, scale 50, move it down, then paste here. Okay, thank you. Go back to your main com, change Ctrl K for setting, right here main com, press enter and select your screen, drop here. So now press F4 for turn on the 3D switch and then turn on the 3D, move the anchor point center, then press R For the rotation, like this. Press S, scale up, move here, press R, then parent web to null objects, and press T, play now. That is it. Move up. Press T, change opacity 100%, and come here, select this one, press T, change opacity 60, select another one, press T, change opacity 80, and go back here. So now play. Good. And now create another chat message. Press S, scale down, select the mask from there like this. Select again, press scale down, press Ctrl for slowly change the rates like this. Okay, now press T for changing the opacity motion. Select all the keyframes, paste. Play now. Looking good. Select the screen and rotate a little bit like this. So you can play the movie, import a video like what, select this video and drop the video here. So press S, scale down, move the video here, press T, parent web, parent web this opacity to here, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, parent web again, change the video time like this. Ctrl A, turn on the motion blur for all clips. Control A, turn on motion blur, close the layers, and now test the result of your project. Render again. Thank you guys for watching. This was about the hologram screen with tracking. Don't forget like and subscribe the channel. See you at next time.
The phone